What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Tactical Advantage. So it's been a while since we've been on the bench, but we've got the CZ P10F back here, and what we're going to do, actually I'm getting ready to do a review on this, a 7,500 round review. But today what we're going to do is fix one of the little quirky problems. I shouldn't say problems, but something I'm not really in love with the gun, and that is the slide stop. And what we have here is the enhanced slide release from Apex Tactical Specialties. And that's going to basically just give us a little bit of an extended control right here on the slide release, which is something I think this gun really needs, especially for the size of my hands. So we're going to get this installed real quick. Not a whole bunch to talk about there. You know, we've used Apex triggers, some other Apex parts. They're always high quality, so I'm not really particularly worried about anything. Just so we know, clear. We'll go ahead and get this separated. We can leave that as it is. So this should be a pretty easy install. I should only have to pull out the actual slide release right here and these two pins, pop out the old one, which is ambi, and pop in the new one. So to get that going, you don't want to lose the spring here as you do this. Once you got it started, okay. Go ahead and pop our two punches. That one should come out pretty easy. Then all we're going to do is lift up our locking block just a little bit. That's not all the way out. And then you have our slide release. And the only thing you want to be careful about is how this spring interacts and that it stays in here on the locking block. So that's off. Get our new one ready. And right here you'll see the shelf we need to get the spring to engage with right there. And that's on. Basically just put it right back in. Go ahead and reinstall our trigger pin and our locking block pin. One. It's good. Get our spring back. Actually, you know what? We'll show you guys the easy way to do that. This is the little slide block that it goes into. You can see the hole right there. We're just going to pop just a little bit of grease in there. And what that'll do is hold the spring while we're trying to assemble it. So just a little bit of grease. Dang it. It's a little baby spring. And there you have it. So we'll get that back installed in the frame. Let's go ahead and use the tweezers. This only goes in one way because there's a little notch right there, if you can see. So you don't have to worry about installing it incorrectly. Then we'll go ahead and reinstall our slide. There we go. That's in. That's in. So let's go ahead and get our slide back on, do a function check. All right, as you can see, significantly more. Oh yeah. Yeah, so if you go, we'll look from factory to the apex. Yeah, a lot more real estate. And that's something that I've kind of wanted on the CZ, especially when it was brand new. This was awful stiff. So having an extended control there would have been handy. But now, just it's a solid part. And that'll make reloading just a little bit easier. So there you have it, guys. We're going to test it out on the range. You'll probably see some more about it, but looks really good from here. So see you next time.